Elliott Wave Perspective, why investors lost appetite for Deliveroo. I'm Bob Stokes with Elliott Wave International. In the first quarter of this year, the London Stock Exchange was raking it in from IPO proceeds. As recently as March, those proceeds reached £5.2 billion, which was a new post-financial crisis high. Yet things have changed rather quickly, like a light switch going from on to off. As our May Global Market Perspective says, today, in contrast, stock offerings at already traded companies are outstripping returns from new offerings, a turnaround from 2 months ago when initial public offerings were racking up unusually strong gains in their debuts. According to one Paris-based equity manager, IPOs are no longer attractively priced from a long-term investment point of view. A glaring example of the IPO market's current weakness is Deliveroo Holdings, a London-based online food delivery company which started publicly trading several weeks ago. Let's return to the May Global Market Perspective, which went into the details of the company's stock performance to the end of April. Deliveroo closed the day down 26%, the worst opening day performance for a London IPO in at least 2 decades. One banker told the Financial Times that Deliveroo might have been the worst IPO in London history. Either way, the stock fared little better in its subsequent days as a public company. In 1 month, sellers nearly cut the stock's price in half, wiping away almost £2 billion from the company's initial market capitalization. Indeed, Deliveroo's stock price continued to trend lower throughout the first 3 weeks of May. The exceptionally poor performance of Deliveroo and the frailty of Britain's IPO market are signs of a fading investor enthusiasm. This likely has implications for the market as a whole. Indeed, the May Global Market Perspective shows a chart which depicts Elliott Wave analysis of the FTSE 100, and the message is as clear as a bell. Review this chart along with other global equity market charts so you can position your portfolio for what may be just ahead. Plus, get access to the just published June Global Market Perspective as you follow the link below this video.